Hi children, welcome back in our online grammar classes. Dear students, I hope you all are fine and enjoying watching videos. Keep watching our videos regularly and study regularly. My dear students, in our previous video, we had started grammar 17th lesson, that is tenses. Okay, now we learn in tense that the forms of verbs shows us the type of action when it's happen, and it is only known as tense. According to the subjects, we should use helping verbs in present continuous tense. We learn that in simple present tense, we add s or es suffixes with the verb. Okay? Then we learn that we use ing form of verb in present continuous tense. Okay. Now students, after solving exercise, we are going to the next tense, next form of tense, that is simple past tense. Now let's learn about it. Simple past tense. We learn as simple present tense. In the same way we have to use here simple past tense. Students, the simple past tense has the same form with all subjects. Okay? Simple past tense has the same form with all subjects. Means in this tense there is no condition. Verb we can use with all subjects same verb. If we are talking about a particular action, suppose I am talking about writing. So in past tense, in simple past tense, I should use verb's second form, that is past form. Write, wrote. Okay, W-R-O-T-E, wrote. So this is the past form of this verb. This is second form of this verb, right? So wrote with all subjects, we should use their wrote only. I wrote a letter, you wrote a letter, we wrote a letter, he wrote, she wrote, it wrote, they wrote. Okay, means everywhere the same verbs we can write. No need to change its forms and no suffix nor prefix. Okay, so students, just see here once again. The simple past tense has the same form with all subject. Same form of verb with all subject. Okay. Now example. I worked. You worked. He worked. And they worked. Okay. Everywhere with I, with he, with you and with they. These four are different subjects, but with all we are using only worked. Means this verb's same form is used here. Understood? Means in simple past tense we should use verb's second form, verb's past form, and with all subjects we can use the same past form of verb. Okay. Now see here. However, the be verb changes with the subject. Okay. So what is be verb? Means to be form. In present tense we are using to be form am, is, are. Okay, in present continuous tense am, is, are. We are using am with I. We are using is with singular subjects and are with plural subjects. So here also to be's past form are given, was and were. Okay, these two was and were, these to be's forms we can use with singular was and with plural subject were. Okay, now let's see, it is given here. I, singular now. I, he, she, it. These all subjects are singular. With singular subjects we have to use was, and these subjects we, you, they. These all are plural verbs, plural subjects. We, you, they. With plural subjects we have to use here where. Okay, understood? But to be form we use only in continuous tense. Okay. Now students see here. Now downside, its use is given here. Before that, students, you have to write this and this line in your notebook. Okay. The simple past tense has the same form with all the subjects, and however the verb change with the subjects. Okay. Now, and these tables too. Now see, simple past tense is used for an action completed at some time in the past. We talk or think about a definite time in the past, as yesterday, last week, in 2002. Okay, so where should we use simple past tense? To talk about an action completed at some time in the past. So we have to talk about an action which is completed in past at some time. We can mention time as yesterday, last month, last night, or any year. Okay. Now examples are given here. Vijay phoned me last night. Now in simple present tense we have seen my uncle phones me every day, daily. Okay. So it was the present form of that verb, but it is used here in past form, phoned. Vijay phoned me last night. Means when Vijay completed his action? Last night only. I saw Abdul an hour ago. Means my action of watching means see. It is the past form of see, saw. Has completed before an hour ago. Okay. So I saw Abdul an hour ago. It was very hot yesterday. I bought this camera in Chennai. We visited the Taj in 2001. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Now we can see here that phone, saw, was, bought, visited and sat. These all verbs are used in its past form, its second form. Students, you also write these all examples with its use also. Okay. Remaining part we will continue in our next video.